Today I am going to varnish a painting with some Gamvar Satin. I'm going to give this a try. I've tried the Liquitex gloss. I don't like the high gloss. And then I also use the cold wax medium, which I really like a lot. I use that on my watercolors and acrylics. So I'm going to give this one a try. It's a satin finish. See how it works. I am doing it on this small 8x10 oil painting. And then I'm going to make a frame for it. Just getting it ready for sale. You can see the texture in it. There's a lot of texture in this painting. So let's give this a try. Just going to use this small brush since it's a pretty small painting. I'm going to give this a try. Instructions say to shake before you use it and use a brush. Heard of some people that use a cloth. Quite a few people that use this. Quite a few artists that use this that I follow and whose work I like. So, all right, I got this little container. Just put a little bit in there. Everyone that I know that has used it says to use it sparingly, so let's give this a try. Oh, colors are popping already. I know there's some people that kind of move the brush kind of in a back and forth motion, just to, especially with these paintings that have a lot of texture, thick brush strokes. Yeah, this is going a long way here. So I could probably use half of what I actually poured in here. So far I'm liking the look of this way better than the Liquitex High Gloss. Giving it just a little bit of sheen, but it's bringing out making the colors pop a little. Which, that's really what I wanted. I do like the Gamblin products. I use the solvent-free Gamblin medium to thin down my oil paints. I use the Gamblin 1980 oil paints is what I decided to go with, and I've been very happy with them. That's what I painted this one with. So I do see some little air bubbles, and someone I follow recommended that just kind of gently wipe it off. Just go over it real lightly. Yeah. It definitely got rid of the air bubbles here. Oh. All right, I think I got it all. It's giving it a little bit of sheen. I love how it's just kind of brought the colors forth. Almost like it gave it just a little pop of saturation, just made those colors really come to life. It's giving the painting a little more depth. And it's not a high gloss. I really like this. So I'm going to let this dry. I have another one that I'm going to do. Unfortunately, I cannot show me doing that one because it's a commission, and it's the person I did it for has not seen it yet, and so I'm going to surprise them once it's completely dry. But yeah, give this a try. Gamvar Satin. I mean, this stuff is going to go a long way. I still got some in there. I'm going to use that on my next painting. All right, I just got done doing this one with the Gamvar Satin Varnish. Gives it just a little sheen, which I like. It's not such a high gloss where it detracts from the painting. And this one's an 8x10 oil on linen panel, and I can have this one framed if you'd like. It's available on my website, marcuscarril.com. Go check it out. Just wanted to show, once it's been dried, you can see it's just a slight touch of sheen to it. Nice satin finish. It's not overly glossy. I like the look a lot. I think it complements the painting, brings some of the colors out. Turned out very nice. So I'm gonna stick with this, and I'm gonna keep trying this out. Gamvar Satin.